Today we are going to talk about the 8 AI tools that you must know in the college, because if you are not using those AI tools, then somebody else would be using, and those people would be more productive and efficient in the work. So that's why you at least have the awareness about these AI tools to become more productive and to achieve the task under the time. Let me tell you this through the example. If you are in the college, you have to do a lot of the things. You have to make the presentation, you have to research about the different project ideas, and you have to make the assignments. And then after these all of the things, in the last year of a college, you have to make the research paper. So these all of the things you can do in the less time by using AI tools. And we often have the biggest question in our mind, like who is going to replace first by AI? So recently Nvidia CEO said in the conference, the person who know how to use the AI going to replace the one who don't know. So this is something you have to keep in your mind. So let's move forward and know about the 8 AI tools. The first one is a Perplexity. So it is the best platform in terms of the web browsing. When you give it a prompt, it researches the data from all the website and give you the best result. It shows you the backend, the research step and sources of the data as well. So make sure that you have turned on the research feature in it, and so later on you can export the data in the PDF and doc format. And the cherry on the top is that this model is completely, the Perplexity Pro is completely free of cost for the 1 year if you are using the Airtel internet connection. So let's move forward to the next AI platform, that is a Claude. Claude is known for the best coding solutions. So whenever you get stuck in the piece of code, you can go to the Claude and it will give you the best result. Let's suppose if you want to make the product browser, that will scroll horizontally automatically when you see on the screen. So okay, so that you want to make, so if you would give it a prompt, it will give you the logic behind it. It will show you the screen as well, where you can see the product, the component is working. Okay, so this is something you can use for understanding the logic, not for copy pasting the code. Now let's move forward to the next platform, that is a ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a platform which is known for its versatility. People use it for the multiple purposes. For example, if you have the semester exam next day, what would you do? You have very less time to prepare. You would upload all the question paper on this platform and ask it, give it a prompt like draw the questions which has repeated in the last year. So that's how you can strategically prepare for the exam. It will provide you the list of all the questions which has repeated in the last year. So this is how you can use the ChatGPT. Recently you might have listened the news that GPT-5 model has launched in the market by the OpenAI. So it has better capabilities. It operates over the different data like the videos, text and audio files. So now you can use the ChatGPT with the different capabilities. You can use the ChatGPT for the different purposes. Now let's move forward to the next platform, that is the Gemini Pro and the Veo 3. These both of the platforms you will get completely free of cost if you have the college email ID. You have to just log in with the email ID on these platforms. You will get 1 terabyte cloud storage, Gemini Pro and the Veo 3. So this is something, the benefit you will get. And also you know that the Veo 3 is known for the generating videos, realistic videos in seconds. And you might have seen that monkey man who got viral while generating the video on the Veo 3. So there are a lot of the benefits if you have joined the videography club in the college. If you want to make the short films and short videos for the presentation, then you can use the Veo 3. So these are the platforms you will get the completely free of cost, so you must use it. Now let's move forward to the next platform, that is the Notion AI. Notion AI is the best platform for the time management. Almost all the people use it for managing the tasks. So you also use it, because if you're going college in the morning around 8 o'clock and coming back from the college around the 5 o'clock, you have very limited time to do the other stuff like building your skill, figuring out yourself. So managing these all of things becomes very difficult. That's why this Notion AI time management platform make it easier for you. You can observe your task, how many tasks you have achieved, how many tasks are pending. So this is something is really going to be very beneficial for you. Now let's move forward to the next platform, that is the Grammarly. Grammarly, I can say the best platform, the best AI tool which would help you to correct your grammar. If you are not assured that your sentence is correct grammatically, then you can upload your document over this website. You can write in the text format. It will correct all the grammatical mistakes. So if you are weak in a grammar, you can take the support of the Grammarly. Now let's move forward to the next AI tool, that is a Gamma AI. Gamma AI is famous for making the presentations. So if you want to make the presentation in 5 to 10 seconds, you can go over this website and you have to just give it a prompt and it will start generating 9 to 10 slides of the PDF. So that PDF you can later customize over the website as well. You can add the text, you can add the layouts, you can customize all the things according to yourself, and after that you can export that PDF as well. So this is really a beneficial website for all of you, saves a lot of time, so you must use it. Now let's come to the last AI tool that you must know in the college, that is a Google Scholar PDF reader extensions. So when you are in the 4th year of college, you have to make the research paper. For that you go on the Google Scholar website, read the citation, read the whole document of the research paper, and then what you do, you then start writing your own research paper, but still you have the confusion what was the data in the research paper. So that takes a lot of time. To make it fast and efficient, you can download the Google Scholar PDF reader extension on the Chrome and add it as extension, and whenever you are next time going on the Google Scholar website, what it does, it will open whole document in the extension automatically and will give you the summary and point wise data. So that will save a lot of time. So these were the 8 AI tools that you must know in the college to become productive and to save a lot of time. So if you have watched this video till the end, list down all the AI tools in the comment section.